Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. So you guys, as you can tell by the title, I've done something new and I didn't really know how I wanted to show you guys, but I decided to do it this way. So you can't tell, my hair is up and you probably already know by this time what's going on, you know what's different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys that I cut my hair. If you know me, then you know that I'm like,
you want that
I take so much pride in my hair and I decided to cut it. I don't know, I just wanted something new. So if you know me, then you know that this is a big deal for me. If you're interested in seeing my results, then just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as y'all can see, my hair is freshly washed. I had it dried in a t-shirt. Y'all may think it's long now, but this is short for me, okay? Like, my hair used to be so much longer than this, so this is all new to me. I deep conditioned it. The conditioner that I use is the Cream of Nature one. I love this. I've used it before in I think it was my wash and go, I'm not sure, but I've used it before and I love that deep conditioner, so I used that today and I rinsed with cold water. How my curls are looking, no product in it. Going to add my product and I'm gonna style it for you guys. I don't know if y'all are as excited as I am, probably not, but that's okay. Like I said, I don't know why I wanted to cut my hair. I just wanted something different, something new. This video might not be long. It's not gonna be long, I can tell y'all now, because I already washed my hair and I didn't want to show y'all because I already have a video on my wash day routine, so I'll link that down below so you can go watch it if you haven't. I bought something new. I don't know, I just wanted to try new products in my hair since I cut it and I just wanted something different. So I went to Walmart because the beauty supply stores are closed, unfortunately. So when I got in Walmart, I didn't really go in there like with the, you know, with the mindset of, oh, I want this product, I want that product. I didn't know what I wanted. I just wanted to see what they had and they didn't have anything. Okay, so what I did get was this Molly Moisture Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil Curling Smoothie. And I was looking for a deep, not a deep conditioner. I was looking for a leave-in conditioner, but they didn't have it, I don't think. So I just got this curl smoothie. For thick, curly hair, it's to hydrate, smooth, and defrizz. And my hair be frizzy. My hair is frizzy all the time. It wasn't expensive. It was like $8, I think. I'll link it down below if y'all want to get it, but it smells so good. Looks like this. I've heard great things about my moisture, so I hope that it works. So when I style my hair, if you don't know already, I don't part it or anything. I don't section it off. I just do it whole. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna first take this much and I'm gonna apply as I need it. It smells so good. It smells like tropical or whatever. I don't know. It just smells great. What I do is I just distribute that all throughout my hair. Make sure to focus on my ends so I can get some love too. It's like fruits, kinda. It smells great though. My initial thoughts: doesn't make my hair feel heavy. It is just a curling smoothie, so I don't expect it to. It feels good on my hair, I guess. It makes me feel like I don't have enough product in my hair, I guess you would say, but I know I have product in it because I know how much. I'm done with my styling cream. Now I'm gonna add an oil, and I'm gonna be using this wild rose oil. You can get it at your beauty supply stores. It looks like that. I've heard great things about it. I've used it before, but I'm not consistent with it, so I can't really say. You know, add that oil. I'm gonna take my wet brush. I'm gonna brush out my hair. I don't know where I want to part it. I don't know if I want to part it on the side or in the middle. Because when it dries, y'all, it's so short. I'll have to show y'all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a middle part. Never done a middle part in I don't know how long, but we're just gonna see how this goes, okay? So I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle. I hate parting my hair in the middle because of my widow's peak. Like, so the back of my hair, it gets more frizzy than any other parts of my hair. So I'm just gonna quickly add more product to the back of my hair just to ensure that I don't have any frizz. Finished product after I've brushed out my hair. Like I said, my hair, it gets shorter because of shrinkage when it's dry. So I will come back to you guys when it's dry so I can show you the finished. Hello you guys, I'm back and my hair is fully dried. One thing I can say is my hair is kind of hard, and I think that's because I put so much of the product in my hair. This is how my hair is looking. And I'm gonna just do me some little quick baby hairs right here. So my hair is done, you guys. This is the finished product. Like I said, my hair shrinks due to shrinkage, but I have no problem with it because I like the length like this, and I'm so glad I cut my hair. So if you want to cut your hair and you're scared, don't be scared, because it could be one of the best things that's ever happened to you, just like me. Like, I'm in love with my hair. I love it. It's not frizzy, as y'all can see. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Curls by Sid if you didn't already, at Twitter at Life of Sidney, and I'll see you guys next time.